Mike was just 13 when he first stumbled upon it. A harmless curiosity, he thought. But what started as a few minutes a day turned into hours. By the time he was 18, he was watching every night, sometimes multiple times a day. He never thought it would take over his life. At first, it seemed normal. Everyone does it, he told himself. But soon, he noticed changes. He stopped hanging out with friends. He lost interest in dating. He was trapped in a secret addiction that no one knew about. He told himself he'd stop, but he never could. Late nights turned into exhausted mornings. His grades dropped. His motivation disappeared. And yet, he kept going back. He didn't even enjoy it anymore, but he couldn't stop. Then came the worst part. He finally got into a relationship, but something was missing. He didn't feel attracted to her. Real intimacy felt boring. No excitement, no connection. And when the moment came to be with her, he couldn't perform, "You know what I mean." The doctor's words hit him like a brick. Your brain has been rewired. Your body doesn't respond to real intimacy because of years of overstimulation. Mike sat in silence. He had done this to himself. That was the wake-up call. Mike knew he had two choices: stay trapped or fight back. He deleted everything, blocked the sites, and started focusing on real life. The urges didn't go away overnight, but slowly, he started feeling alive again. More energy, more confidence, more control. Mike's story is real. And if you see yourself in him, know this: it's not too late. You can break free. The first step is deciding to change. The next, taking action. Your future is waiting. Don't let this addiction steal it. If this story resonated with you, subscribe for more real-life stories that can change lives. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, share it with them. Let's spread awareness together.